Hello Danceforians and dinosaurs. Today in this box we have lots of different colorful sea animals. I have actually put 27 different species of sharks inside this box. So let's check them out, okay? First one right here is a short fin Mako shark. I'm not too sure whether you guys have actually heard of this species of shark before. Of course, I'm not too sure about this one as well until I actually purchase the figure. So all the sharks will go on the left hand side and all the different colorful sea animals on the right hand side. Okay, so let's move on. Right over here we have a koi fish. Okay, they're not exactly a sea animal, but it is a fish. Let's put this right over here. Alright, next up we have this fantastic, huge, gigantic megalodon, or actually we can name this as a great white shark as well. Let's just place this right at the back. It's really big, I must say, and I really love this figure a lot. Okay, let's take a look at another really colorful sea animal, which is the weedy sea dragon. I mean, how many colors are you able to count? There's like yellow, there's like blue, there's like orange. Super beautiful weedy sea dragon. Okay, so you can actually see the name is written right over here, weedy sea dragon. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna put this right over here and let's grab hold of another shark inside. Let's see what kind of shark do we have right here. Okay, what is this? It looks like a great white shark, but it is not. It is actually a bull shark. Yes, that's right, which is one of the more aggressive species of sharks around. Okay, let's take a look at another beautiful and colorful sea animal. We have a blue tang. Yes, that's right. The name of this fish right here is known as a blue tang, and they can actually adjust the color intensity. So some of them are actually like lighter blue, some of them are like darker blue. So they're able to adjust their body colors, which is very impressive. Next up, this is another new figure that we have just purchased recently. This is known as a robber gang, which is a type of shark as well. Okay, it doesn't have a name written right below, so that's a pity, but that's fine. Let's place this right over here. Let's take a look at another really colorful sea animal. I think this has got to be the most colorful sea animal in this box. I mean, if you take a look, the eyes are actually purple in color, the pencils in red, there's like spots of orange as well, there's even like blue on the underside, yellow as well. So wow, what a beautiful crab. I mean, let's take a look at the name. It is written as Sally Lightfoot crab, which is a very interesting name. Okay, let's place this right over here. Okay, the other crab actually just drop out from the box. So let's take a look at this. Not as colorful as the red one, but this is known as a blue crab, right? Okay, so you can see it has like green in color, it's like blue in color, there's some like yellowish brown at the bottom, so it's very colorful sea animal as well. Let's go in and take a look at another sea animal. I mean another shark. What is this? This is a hammerhead shark, which you guys should be extremely familiar with. Okay, all right, let's take a look at this. So this is a type of shark, so let's place this right over here. Let's move on. Another really colorful sea animal, not exactly super colorful, but it is really vibrant in color. It is a red lobster. Let's take a look at the name, which is right over here, Lobster. So you can find like different shades of orange and yellow, and the body is like filled with red, and there's like black spots, so pretty colorful in general. All right, let's move on. Another type of shark, which is known as, okay, it's not exactly a shark nor a ray, it's known as a shark ray. It's more like a guitarfish. Yeah, but that's fine. Let's just put this on the side of the sharks right over here. Another really colorful sea animal, which is the reef squid. Okay, let's try to locate the name on the figure, reef squid. So you guys can see it is like actually like pink in color, but you can also find like spots of red and like white and yellow, and the tentacles is partially like white, so really colorful and beautiful as well. Okay, let's move on. Another shark. What is this? Is this a zebra shark or is this a leopard shark? Let's take a look at the name. Zebra shark. Okay, let's move on. Okay, not exactly a super colorful sea animal, but still looks colorful to me. I mean, it has like brown, it has like white, it has like green, and it's a Cam's Ridley sea turtle baby. Yes, that's right. A really cute looking and adorable turtle. Let's place this on top of the iceberg right here. Let's take a look at another shark. We have a blue shark right here. I mean, we can possibly put this blue shark on the right hand side along with the other colorful sea animals, but let's just put this on with the other sharks. Another shark right here, which is a really interesting looking shark. It is known as a basking shark, the mouth wide open. It is able to take in all the water and like filter out all the food particles, so pretty impressive one. Let's take a look at another beautiful colorful sea animal. This is known as the blue spotted ray. You can see it has like plenty of blue spots, but at the same time it is like, you know, golden in color when it comes to the body. You can even find like, you know, sheets of yellow right at the bottom, so very cool. Another shark which is known as a sawfish. Okay, very interesting sea animal. I've never seen one in my real life before. So sawfish. Another shark which is very similar to the hammerhead shark is actually this bonnet head shark. Okay, very interesting looking shark. Another, you know, colorful sea animal which is the octopus right here. So take a look at this, really beautiful. So if you guys do not know, octopus can actually change its body color. Yeah, they can actually transform themselves into different colors to camouflage itself from its surroundings, which is very cool. Another really beautiful sea animal, which is a jellyfish. Check this out. So the name is actually hidden right below. Jellyfish. Looks really beautiful. This is like the orangey pink sea animal. Okay, what is this? Is this a leopard shark? Let's take a look at a name. Yep, it is a leopard shark. Another breed of another species of sharks. Another sea turtle, not exactly super colorful, but it is so adorable. It has like yellow beak, yellow mouth. Okay, it is known as a sea turtle, just for short. Next up, another shark, which is a hammerhead shark. Okay, I think I've actually shown you guys a hammerhead shark already, so that's fine. So technically, we only have like 26 different sharks. Frogfish, very interesting looking fish, very weird looking as well. So it's actually like bright orange in color. It's like yellow lips and like, you know, lighter yellow on the top of his body, some black spots. So it's pretty colorful. So it's known as a, what's the name? Frogfish. It's not really written here. I can't really see it. Yeah, but it is a frogfish. All right, let's move on. More sharks. This is not a hammerhead shark. I mean, it is like closely related to it. It is actually known as a scallop hammerhead shark. Wow, another version of a hammerhead shark, which is very cool. Okay, this one right here is a lemon shark. I mean, technically we can also put this on the right hand side because it is pretty colorful at the same time. Another shark right here, which is the black tip reef shark. Okay, check this out, black tip reef shark. Okay, it has black tips all over the fins, which is very interesting. Megamorph shark, which is a super interesting and super rare shark known as the megamorph shark. It can only be found like really deep into the underwater. Yep. Another really colorful fish, which you guys should know, which is known as a clown anemone fish. Okay. What else we've got? A beautiful starfish. I mean, starfish comes in many different colors, and this one is like really nice. It's like a mix of yellow and orange and bright yellow at the bottom, so looks really cool. This is another species of sharks, which is known as a nurse shark, bamboo shark, I beg your pardon. This one right here is where's our nurse shark? I didn't bring our nurse shark. Oh dear. Yes, I think we should have like yeah, we didn't bring our nurse shark. That's fine. Okay, this one right here, it's a Thresher shark. You can easily recognize this by its really long tail. Okay, Thresher shark. cake. And this is a hammerhead shark baby. This is a bull shark, I think. Grey reef shark, I beg your pardon. And this is a really colorful, not exactly a sea animal. It is it's a strawberry frog or something like that. I can't remember the name. And this is a white tip reef shark, which is another species of sharks. Nurse shark is right over here. Yes, finally, nurse shark. I don't know. Do we have a doctor's shark? I'm just trying to be funny. Another colorful sea animal, a blue flying fish. You can see it's really beautiful. In different shades of blue, light blue, dark blue. Yeah, really nice. All right, let's see what else we've got. I need the help of you guys to name this breed of shark. I have no idea. Is this like a tiger shark? Probably, I'm not too sure. Oh yes, it is a tiger shark. Name is written right there. I mean, this is a figure which I need the help of you guys. What type of shark is this? It has like spots all over his body. Very weird looking. Another great white shark right here. I mean, it could be a megalodon. And this is a giant squid, which is like, you know, bright red in color. And our second last. Okay, this is a boxfish. Of course, you can see it has like, you know, different yellows, different shades of yellow. Very interesting fish, boxfish. And black spots all over his body. And our last figure of the day, it's actually another shark ray. Let's take a look at the name. It's a Schleich one. Yep. So that's all for today's video. 27 different types of sharks and plenty of colorful sea animals. Thanks for watching this, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.